one and all present here. Today I am here to deliver a speech about education and its importance. In order to bring unity, education is a means for emotional integration. We cannot do without any kind of education. Education is an essential aspect of human development. Education is a means for achieving a wholesome, justice, freedom and equality for all. Education is extremely necessary for all. It endorses the intelligence of human being, develops his skills and enables him to be industrious. Education is an essential aspect of human development. Education, it ensures its progress. No good life is possible without education. Through education only civilize a person. In the end, we find that education is the means for achieving success, building practice, and for living a wholesome and happy life. Thank you.